Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Jake again. I'm here at a nature trail, protected. It's been a while since I've done any filming, so I'm gonna walk through here and again show you guys the beauty of northern Michigan and where I'm from. And it's fall, it's kind of chilly, but it's not too bad actually. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, I'll get back to you. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter. If you'd like to donate to the channel, everything will be going back to my channel, but it is what it is, so let's get on with this. Alright everybody, so right here we're at the Duncan Bay Nature Preserve. I have actually came here three times and filmed. Once was last winter. It's a little bit of a dedication to this place that they put up here. But I have came here 3 different times and filmed. Every single time I've come here to film, well, I had to throw the video, I had to delete the video. For whatever reason, I come here and film. It never turned out. The video quality was so bad, I'm not even sure what exactly happened, but yeah, hold on. Alright, well, obviously there's still people that come through here, but anyways, every time I come here to film, I have to delete the video. So I'm hoping to goodness that doesn't happen today, because it's very discouraging when you go out and you film a place like it looks like an arch. But it's discouraging when you go out and you film an area and you can't even upload the video because of unknown reasons. I'm not sure why that happened, but yeah, this is all wetlands back in this area throughout here. Obviously you can see all the water. It's wet through here all summer long. Dries up a little bit, you know, but it has been a really rainy October, so of course it's like flooded out back here all the time anyways. But yeah, I was a little bit upset. I've come through here 3 times and filmed, had to delete the video. Every time I couldn't even use video. But now there is history here. You know, I grew up on this side of town my whole childhood, so I've been through these woods without all of this being done. So yeah, it's nice to come in here, and then they build this up. So yeah, you are here, and then you can go all the way around. It leads to, I'm actually going to try to go out there today, because like I said, the last time I came here it wasn't even fully built. They started building it last fall. So, and it would have been cool to be able to upload a couple of the videos, or at least one of the videos, because I had the crap scared out of me by a couple of deer that were running through. Wow, it's like they ran right past me. Oh my goodness, it scared the crap out of me. But as you can tell, it's fall. You can see all the beautiful colors in the trees. Everybody loves this time of year, but honestly, I'm not a huge fan. I prefer spring, because to me spring is, you know, it reminds me of like new life. Everything's growing back and coming back. Fall, to me, it just, everything is dying away. You know, I mean, yeah, you get pumpkins and you get the nice colors in the trees, but it's just not my favorite time of year. And I hate winter, and that's a constant reminder this time of year is all of this will be covered in, you know, feet of snow. And I do mean feet, because we get a lot of snow here in Michigan, especially the northern part. Because it's funny when I go down to Detroit or something, they don't get half as much snow as we get up here. But yeah. Yeah, it's so quiet and peaceful through here. And I've been wanting to get out and do some filming all summer. And to be honest with you, I did not have time. I work 7 days a week, all night shifts. And then during the day, you know, I got the baby with me, so it's hard to get out and do any type of filming. And then when my wife is home on a day off, you know, it's trying to spend time with her as well, you know. So over the summer I didn't even really upload any videos, and I was like, you know, I'm gonna start trying to get back into uploading videos on YouTube. So I was like, alright, well, I'll start doing some gameplay videos. And I'm sorry if that annoys you guys. I know it probably is a little bit boring, but I am going to keep it going, I guess, because I've been dropping a video every single day, pretty much every day. After I complete the Diablo series, like I said in the last video I dropped, I'm going to start doing some game reviews on the games that I've played and shared onto YouTube, or that I've live streamed on YouTube, and just going through and using my own gameplay, because, you know, I don't want to get nobody being like, oh, that's my video, and get in trouble. So go through my own games and give you guys my feedback on the games, and trying to interact with you guys more who watch my content. And hopefully you guys will start appreciating that too. And I'm actually surprised on how my channel has been blowing up and taking off lately. I've been networking with some people, and I don't know if they want me to give their names out right now or not. I don't even know, but I'm sure that everybody who watches this is gonna know the group of people that I have been networking with. So, and all of you guys that also network with them, you know, and I appreciate that a lot, because it has helped me out. It has given me hope for YouTube, for myself anyways. But yeah. Well, like I said, the last time I came out here was in the spring and walked through as much of this trail that they've done, or got finished at the time, and I couldn't even upload the video because I had purchased a digital camera, actually a digital camcorder, and I could not even use the footage because it was just, not only was it just super shaky, it was just grainy. You couldn't even see the video. It was horrible. So that's weird. You don't see pine trees turn color that often, but must be dying. But a friend of mine gave me their phone, so I've been using that to film with when I do go film. Sometimes I use my my iPhone, but I try to just use this. You know, it says not to bring dogs out here. Some raccoon trail tracks, and I'm sure that there's coyotes through here, but not too worried about coyotes or anything really. But yeah, a couple of years ago there was actually a black bear in this area. Now, mind you, I'm still in town, where I live, like, a little bit of ways away from here, but not more than like a 6-minute drive. But it's still in the city limits, and it's, there's a lot of, I don't live in a big city or anything, so coming out and filming this type of stuff is really cool. Like I said, my channel, I originally started this channel to bring people, the beauty of Michigan, and to show everybody what they miss out on. I mean, there's not much to do here, but if you love nature and you like quiet, because I mean, listen, you still hear the traffic a bit in the background. Birds is pretty much all you hear. So it's really nice, relaxing, and I love doing this. And for them to actually, this bridge was not even completely built, and I wish I would have been able to show that film, because it was literally these rails were not even up. The bridge wasn't even fully put together. I mean, and I had a buddy of mine with me who, well, he's like family, who come and was filming with me, and was like, that's probably not a good idea. I was like, yeah, whatever. I gotta build this content, This creek is pretty long. It goes from, the road is over that way, and then, God, this is gonna be horrible, but what lake? The lake is over that way, one of the Great Lakes, actually. But I heard a story when I was a kid, a long time ago, that in this creek, a little boy did actually, pass in this creek. I guess he was playing with a ball and went to get his ball. It was wintertime, and he fell through the ice, and I guess his mom was with him. I guess I don't really know the full story. I haven't really looked into it or anything, but this was just what I heard a long time ago when I was growing up. And there, the kid didn't survive. But yeah, it was a tragic story. I mean, I heard that it was back in the 90s, early to mid 90s, and obviously it was rumored that this place is haunted, but I don't really know. I haven't really been out here to explore if this place was haunted or not. It very well could be. I mean, there's a lot of history here. This side of the town is all, from what I was told by several dozen people, that this was tribal, tribal land and Indian burial on this whole side of town. And yeah, so I mean, it very well could be. But hopefully I can find that find out where that one point was, because Last time we came out here, oh there it is. Yep, this wasn't even finished. We couldn't even go through there because it was this little walkway wasn't here, so we just walked straight through this open field. This is where I got scared by a couple of deer that was running through. Oh my goodness, scared the crap out of me. But yeah, boom. So yep, sweet. Now we can just walk straight forward. This is the Sheboygan River actually that we're going to be coming up to, that goes into the lake. Goes into the lake. But it's actually really peaceful. It's really nice. They did a really good job doing this, and I'm kind of glad that they did, because one of these days I'm gonna come out here at night. This was not even here, and this goes quite a far back ways. I mean, when I was growing up, me and some friends we actually built a fort back through here. I don't know if I'll be able to get to it from here or not. I'd like to see if it's still here, but it's all on private property, so I don't know if it's a good idea to go back in that area. This bridge is so narrow. But yeah, it's all private, so I don't know if it's even okay to go, if we can get back there or not. But there was like an old beat up car, like a van, like 60s, like 1960s van, and like a 1970s car. See, over there is like where all the oil thing is. Like, drop off and pick up. Oh, and you still see all the water, but it sounds like you can actually hear the water. I mean, yeah, it's a little bit windy. I hope it's not too loud, but apparently this takes you to that spot, all the way on the walkway here. Yeah, this actually looks like it might be close to where we built our fort. To be honest with you, I don't know, it's been such a long time since I've been out here, and none of this was even here. This was all wet. There was spots where we could get to that were dry pathways and walkways. Oh yeah, this is actually really cool. So yeah, this is the first I've ever been out here. Oh wow. Yeah. I really hope that you guys do enjoy the video. Hopefully it works this time. Hopefully the video video works. I don't even know if I'm supposed to park where I park, so I hope to God that my car don't get towed either. That would be really crappy. Yeah, see, I'm not even... Huh, wow. Yeah, see where It's probably a good idea to watch where I'm walking. I almost just fell on my face. Oh, wow, right on the beach. Okay. Wow. This is actually really cool. You can see... Okay, obviously you see the lighthouse there. Sorry. You see the lighthouse over there. And beyond that, you see that big tower there with the little, looks like string. That is actually the Mackinac Bridge that connects the lower peninsula of Michigan to the upper peninsula of Michigan over there, which is St. Ignace. Actually, that might be the island. Yeah, that's Mackinac Island, I believe. But wow, this is really cool. So yeah, this is a different location than where our fort was built. Attention, LTC trail ends here. Proceed at own risk. Yeah, see, most of this is owned by the Coast Guard. I mean, I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and post this. Set this up over here. Oops. Alright, so. Wow, it's really windy. Forgive me for the loud wind. Oh, there's some deer right there, too. If you guys can see the deer running, let me know in a comment. Yeah, I think where we built our fort was more over that way, ahead of me. Or very well could be that back, I don't even know. Like I said, it was back in like 1990. It's 2019 now, so quite a few years back. But this is actually really, really cool. Definitely gonna come back here at nighttime one of these days. This would be really cool to come back to at night. Of course, to get that thrill experience. Now watch me fall and get soaking wet here. That was pretty loose. Oh yeah, this is really cool. Those are deer tracks. Yeah, this is really, really awesome. I love the sound of water. I do you guys know that a lot of my older videos are a lot to do with being by water. Not only because I like water, but completely surrounded by water here. Let's see how far we can go back here. This is a few minutes ago I said I need to look down before I so I can see where I'm walking, and here I with a stick stuck in my shoelace. You know what? I can honestly say that this is really relaxing. Obviously, there's some beaver out here chewing down on a tree. Wow, it's so wet and mucky. And I really think that actually we built the fort back in this area here, to be 100% honest with you. Oh yeah, this is really really cool. Because this reminds me of the place we had like a group of trees and we just started building up. We took a wagon and loaded it up with some lumber, some nails. We just started building up. Made a little fort back here. It was really awesome. I'd like to try to get back in there more, but I don't. These shoes are not waterproof. I'll wait till I get some more waterproof shoes or something. Hope they don't get covered with ticks. Yeah, this is really cool. I'm way off the trail now. Oh, here's another sign. What does that say? Nope. Doesn't even say anything on the sign. Yeah, I could still keep going through here. Hopefully I don't get a surprise. This is actually, I know I keep saying that, but it's been nice to be able to go out and film in such a beautiful, beautiful place. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get soaked. I really feel like the place that we built up was back here somewhere. Oh my. We're coming through. Oh yeah, I'm looking wet now. Oh yeah, soaked. Alright. Yeah, I think this is really close to the area. I'm gonna try to get out of here. My feet are completely soaking wet now. After I said I was not going to try to get my feet wet. Alright, well, go ahead and make it back to the car. Yeah, that's, I guess those cranes are not the oil thing, the cranes are. If you look, it's actually the Coast Guard. See, I don't think this is the right spot actually, now I think about it. Oh yes, nothing like soaking wet feet. It is October 24th today. Probably can't see it. It's going on 4 in the afternoon. It's actually going to start getting dark in the next couple of hours. Again, I apologize for the wind. Not too much I can do about that. Try to get some waterproof boots. I think if I walk more that way, I don't know, who cares? But some other people I know that subscribe to me, I grew up with, so they know what I'm talking about. Alright, see, not so much windy back there now. So, like I said, I guess I'll just make it back to the car. And you can hear the squeaking of my shoes now. But yeah, this is really cool. Really beautiful spot. Really, really beautiful location. And I'm actually glad that they took the time to build this up, and you know, the DNR, and you know, really appreciate them doing that, because a lot of times we don't ever get the chance to get into, you know, seeing the beauty and wildlife and the nature, because so many places are, although this is protected, obviously it says that, but a lot of times that stuff is so protected that you can't even get in there because they don't want nobody, for whatever reason, going in and trespassing. But this is, you guys read the sign in the beginning that it is open to the public, free of cost, you know, for educational or whatever purpose, you know, but it is protected. I was gonna go find another spot to film today, but this was actually really nice. Word of the day, really nice. Or very nice. And it's not raining. The sun is out. God bless for that. This month has been such a crappy month. I mean, it has rained almost this whole month. I mean, and that's just really crappy. So I really hope you guys enjoy the video. This thing is so bouncy. But yeah, as I was saying earlier, I started this channel, you know, to show people that there is beauty, you know, here in Michigan. And I know that some people cannot get out, you know, being certain circumstances, they cannot get out into places like this because, you know, maybe they're disabled, maybe they're sick, you know, and they can't get out. So, you know, I want to bring this to them, to whoever watches this, and be like, hey, you're missing out, and you may not be able to get to it, but here, let me show you, let me help you, and bring it to you. You know, I mean, that's one reason why I started this channel, is doing this right here. Not to upload games every day, but I want to build content either way, you know. You know, I mean, I am a gamer, I love video games. I enjoy playing video games quite a bit. So, you know, an hour or two at night when I get home from work, I wind down, and that's what I do. You know, I could be out, you know, I could be drinking every night, I could be doing other things, but I choose not to do that. I choose to just go home to my family. Oh, there's a deer right there. You can't even probably see it. So, you know, I go home to my family. Hey, I see you seeing me too. I go home to my family, and that's, you know, what I choose to do is just play a couple of games. I might go live, and eat whatever, you know. See you later, buddy. But I'd rather do that than go out and do other stuff, which I did before. You know, I was at the bar every single night. I mean, I worked at a bar for a while, for 5 years. And getting fired from that place was the best thing that has ever happened to me. And that was in 2015. But when I left there, I got, you know, I'm a cook slash chef. And I wasn't learning anything there. I mean, there was nothing there for me to do anymore, and I was holding myself back there, to be honest with you. So getting fired from there, me and the owner had a disagreement. I was using the restroom, and I'm sorry, you're not gonna tell me I'm not allowed to use the restroom. And then I was multitasking while I was working. I was, dishes got left from the night before. So. Hello. So, I was cleaning up the dishes and setting up the line, getting the gravies and everything, just doing the daily stuff before we opened, and was actually cleaning. And he wasn't satisfied with that, so I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna be talked to like that and yelled at and screamed at, so I went to go punch out, and then he's like, you know what, don't come back. I was like, thanks. But, whatever. You guys probably don't. Somebody's out here smoking weed. Actually, I just passed somebody on that bridge. I paused the video. Some people don't want to be on film, so I don't know the person, so I'm not going to record them. Just for respect. But, they were out here smoking weed. Whatever. It's illegal here in Michigan. So if you smoke, you smoke. I don't have any problems with it. I do on occasion. It helps me sleep at night. I don't really sleep. But anyways, enough of that. But, leaving that job was the best thing that happened to me, because then I started working at the golf course that I posted the video of a few weeks ago. And shared that out to you guys. I'm gonna try to get a video put together of a bunch of slides of pictures of some food that I've made there. Oh, look at the little robin there. But of some food that I've put together there, and really beautiful place to work at, but we put together some amazing food. My chef there is really great guy, very smart, knowledgeable person. But yeah. So, but I hope that I can continue filming, doing nature and showing, and then trying to vlog from time to time when I go other places, to continue showing everybody, Michigan, the northern lower part of Michigan. So that way, people can appreciate nature. I follow a lot of people that go to theme parks and everything, which is awesome. I wish I had the opportunity to go to theme parks and stuff like that. For one, there's not too many around here. I mean, there's one, Michigan Adventure, then there's a little bit further down, but not really fun. I've never even been to any of them. Don't think I could ride a roller coaster for one. Just not for me. I like zoos and everything, provided that they're taking care of the animals like they should be. But it's also hard going to zoos. I mean, I get injured. They're injured, so they're trying to help them and whatever. But now I'm just rambling on about a bunch of BS. But you know, if they're rehabilitating and releasing, that's cool. But if that can't be released, that's cool too. Just, you know. I see when I go to upload this video, I'm gonna be hesitant on even uploading because I'm talking too much. That's another reason why I built this channel, is for me to get over anxiety issues and boost self-confidence for myself and not being so camera shy. Because to be honest with you, I'm really camera shy. I don't think it's shy, like camera shy, but it's just anxiety of talking to people that I don't know and letting thousands of people possibly looking at the video and being like, what is this guy doing? But then I look at other people and I'm like, wow, I've seen some people making complete fools of themselves, so me just being me shouldn't be that hard. But anyways, just felt that throw that out there. So yeah, I mean, don't forget to like, comment, please subscribe. And you know, I don't expect people to share out all of my videos, but if you see a video that you really like, if you like this type of video and you want to show it out, yeah, please do that. Share it out to other people so they can see the beauty of nature. You know, I mean, a lot of people live in the city, they don't get to see this. They don't even care about this, most people. You know, until they get into it and see it, and they're like, wow, like, I need to spend some time in that, or with nature, you know. It's a very humbling experience. I think I've said that before. And one of my first videos, like, being out here is humbling. Like, there's so much going on out here, and we're so used to networking and being around other people and whatever, that you lose touch with what's really important, you know. And that's, people are important, don't get me wrong on that, but we lose touch on so much of our natural instincts that we just forget about it, don't even care about it. Who cares if we throw, you know, garbage outside, you know, blah, like, that's what I feel. Like, people just don't care, you know, I mean, but whatever. Normally I don't talk so much in these videos. Definitely gonna come back at nighttime, for sure. Probably, maybe not soon, I don't know, we'll see. Definitely don't think I'm gonna do it alone though. Not my first time anyways. If I can find somebody brave enough, which I know somebody who will, I just have to ask them. What is that? Huh. Garbage? Leaves or something? Who knows, if I come at nighttime, maybe I'll find or run into Bigfoot. Alright, there's the exit there. I can continue going this way. But I don't think anything is down that way but the creek. So I don't even know. Continue back to the car like I said. So far I've ran on into two people. And they probably heard me talking to myself both times. I was like, what is this crazy person doing? Holding a phone and a selfie stick. Being all silly. Whatever. See, I walk through this here, it's like walking through like arches, like an archway or something. But this was a pretty amazing one, you know, and it helped me out because I've been so stressed out the last couple of weeks. There's another vehicle out here. But alright, I am about to close this video out. There's another car out here parked next to mine, so hopefully I'm not gonna get in trouble. But whatever, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.